Okay. Guess who's cooking today?
Yeah. All right, yo, we in the kitchen today. We doing something a little different. You know, I'm taking over.
Okay, pops.
So what I got right here is a full rack of ribs, but we only gonna do half because we want.
Because if we do it all, we gonna eat it all.
Yeah, we gonna try to conserve some. So we gonna do half of this. I already stick the knife in it so I can mark it off, and then after that, I'm gonna season it. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and prep it and go put it in the oven.
Okay, show me what you gonna do. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
All right, so.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night, and have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go. We go, we up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we. It's the 5th of love. Hey, 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 it's the 5th.
Stab this real quick.
Why didn't you pull it out and then cut it instead of cutting through the back?
Yeah, so where can I get these ribs? I went to Walmart. And I got these ones. I'm gonna go clean it real quick. Tell y'all, it's always good to wash your meat.
Don't let nobody tell you anything.
I don't know who be telling people to not wash their meat, but
it's disgusting. I mean, I know it's gonna get boiled.
With all the stuff that's be going on and all the hands that is untouched before it got to you, it's just best to be safe than sorry. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't want to be sick, go ahead and wash your meat. It's a good, nice little hot water.
And that's for both meats if you don't want to be sick.
I'm like, yeah, for real. Look at this bad boy. It's nice. Yo, if you vegan, don't watch this. Cause I'm about to tear this up, boy. When it's done, if you're not a meat lover, too bad. Too bad. They call us mammals, but I feel like I'm a carnivore. Wait, mammals can't be carnivores.
It's like in the time to eat us.
Yeah, carnivore. Yo, man, yeah, we are mammals.
But
some people vegan. And some people want to preserve these meats. But I feel like these meats are here for us. That's how I feel personally. And it's a food chain. And we on a food chain. So it's like, the meat here, let's go eat it.
Your meat is clean. You want to introduce your seasonings and stuff?
Yeah, I need trash. I should open them all first. Alright, so.
Yeah, because it's going to get dirty.
I got an assortment of different seasonings here. I don't use this one as often. But we're gonna get this one to try on this, and if we don't like it on this one, I make sure not to do it on the other half. I think it's gonna taste good. But yeah, so we got
what's it called again?
Steak and meat seasoning.
Okay. You gonna use salt on it?
Just a very little bit.
So he just threw up everywhere. Okay, so we got the adobo.
Yeah. We got some adobo. We got the paprika for Linda because she like that.
Paprika, not paprika.
I don't know people's pictures on there.
You should. But, like it says. Read what it said right there.
Wakes up food flavor.
All right.
And then I got some lime juice.
Is that the new one or the old one?
This is the old one. I'm using the rest of it. And some pepper. All
right. Show us what you're doing, boo.
First things first.
I'll eat your brain.
I eat these ribs. I don't eat brain. I get brain. Yeah, let me know
if you say so. You need a lot of brain as far as I'm concerned. Okay, let me keep it G-rated.
You wanna get nasty.
I'm trying to do it now.
You wanna get nasty? You ain't talking about you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Look at this chef. Look at this thug chef.
Ooh.
Ooh. Season that. Season it. Season it.
This how you make sure you don't overkill it. You put a little bit in your hand. You take it. You pinch it. There you
Salt
go.
Bay. Salt Bay. Ah!
For the rest, I like that. Keep it a little hot.
I like how you doing that. It looks good. Looks
I'm gonna
good.
throw a little bit of that, like a little squirt.
Yes, squirt that all over there.
Ooh.
Y'all should always add lime to your food. I don't
Gonna
care
bring
what
it
it
to
is.
life.
It's gonna bring it to life, man.
Oh, and then where that oil at? I just want a little bit.
Oil? Like regular
No, I
oil?
want the old oil.
Ooh.
I use old oil, bro. Like, forget that fresh stuff. We keep fresh stuff, but you know,
Hold on,
the
back it up.
old oil is way better. I tell you, man. If y'all got some old grease with the chicken seasoning in it, with the fish seasoning in it, with the pork seasoning in
Let me
it.
show y'all my old grease.
Oh, man, if you got some old grease.
Old grease.
And it look like that, it's caked up at the bottom. That's all that seasoning. That's some good stuff right there. I'm gonna still a little bit of it.
Just drizzle it.
Alright, so you want? I'm gonna use my hands to really make sure it's
Ooh,
in
write that in. Write that in.
Use a special hand.
It's a nice little rack right there. We should put it in just like that. And then cut it. Ooh, it's gonna probably take longer though. It's gonna take longer.
Alright,
It's all connected.
I think that's good.
It's nice. Perfect.
Let me do
Perfect.
the same thing on the other side. Show love to the back side, y'all. Don't forget the back. Hey, y'all, throw that bit in your hand. Pinch it. Throw the rest out. Fuck it.
It's a lot of salt.
That wasn't right. Don't be wasting salt like that.
Okay.
That's enough.
Yep. Mmm.
Alright, now oil, you just gonna allow it to mix in with all the juices so they stick. And this way that your meat, I don't think it gets dry as quick when you add the oil. Somebody told me to put oil on it. I don't know. Maybe I was reading something. But I'm ready to eat it now. I think I'm touching that.
Nasty, Taz. You can't eat it now.
Look at that. Give you a little massage, baby. Massage it, massage it. Talk to your meat. Show your meat love.
So it can show you love when it's done.
You know what I'm saying? Get them edges.
Yeah, get them edges.
Get them edges. Don't forget them edges, ladies. Oh, technically it's supposed to be on 350, but
We're gonna speed it up.
yeah, we're trying to speed
High
up
heat.
the process.
And we put on the rack right here. Ooh.
Like that.
All
right, so yeah, what else? We got barbecue sauce.
After. We got this one.
30 minutes before.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Done.
We got the original also. We got another sweet honey. No, this one is just a sweet honey. It's different ones. So there's the sweet honey. Here you go.
I want to mix them.
There's the spicy honey.
I think I'm gonna tweak these barbecue.
There's the
sauces.
original. And then there's this one right here. That's barbecue sauce original.
Ooh, I like all of these. Okay.
Yeah. So pretty cool.
I think I'm
This
gonna get
is
a
the
bowl.
master of barbecue sauce. This is why every time we go to the store, we pick up a bottle. Even if we're not out of
We
it.
don't need none. Oh, we got all these sauces, right? We gonna tweak them
Wait,
up.
do you want to put that in first though before you get started? Because then that could get started already.
Yeah. It's time that. It's on 410. I'm gonna put it on for an hour, and then check it. Maybe an hour and a half because it's 410. It's 2 hours. It'll cook quicker, so it may not do that the whole 2 hours like normal. But we got watching more now because we're gonna be cooking quicker.
Okay, so it's on 410. That's the timer. And now it's gonna go in. Ooh.
All right, now honestly, I don't know how this is gonna come out, so that's why I'm just pretty much testing it out. Hopefully, I don't waste too much, cause you know what I'm saying, being wasteful is not something I like to do. But first thing first, original by Kraft. See how that go. No, I'm not measuring nothing. We just gonna drop it in. We got some spicy honey barbecue. Oh, that one a little thin. I don't know if I'm gonna like that as much. I like the thick barbecue sauce. That's why I keep on getting different ones.
That one should be thick. The
This
sweet
one's a bit
bay.
bigger. Let's try that. You want to add some sriracha in that bitch?
Ooh yeah, add some sriracha.
Very good. Sriracha. Just a splash of that because I don't know what it's going to do.
Yeah, because we already got some spicy. That's not a splash. That's more like a splash. mash.
What is it gonna taste like? I really don't know. Hopefully I didn't waste all this barbecue sauce just now. Do I want onions?
You can put it on top of it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna saute
when
some onions a little later. Maybe like the last 10 minutes, I'll saute some onions. And then I'll also add some of this nice barbecue sauce so I can glaze my onions. And then I'll take that onion and the glaze that I got here and I'll just spread it on top of my part of the rib, because Linda don't really care for the onions. But I think the onions make everything pop a little bit, you know? So.
You gotta keep watching.
So I'm gonna go ahead and taste that real quick. Ain't bad. You wanna taste it? A little hot. A little sweet.
It's actually, it needs a little bit more sweet to it.
Let me tell you the verdict. I just had Linda taste it. She said that it needs a little bit more sweetness, so I'm gonna go with the sweet honey and see if that hooks. I think the sriracha made it hot like that.
Yeah, but it's still not, cause you already poured a spicy one in there.
Yeah. So I just added another squirt. Mix that up again.
You don't need more than that.
I like that one. This one's good. So now I really like this batch, but the problem is about this batch is not enough for the whole slab. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more stuff, pretty much, cause we're gonna need more for the 8 ribs. If you have pets, you have a family, you want to see Santa, you can go to PetSmart on the 14th and the 15th, or the 21st and the 22nd. And they'll be able to, I believe, provide you with free photos of you and Santa and your family. So that's something I'm looking forward to. I hope that you guys look into it, and then you go ahead and let me know if y'all did it, because you know what I'm saying, it's about to be lit. That's also not advertisement or nothing. They didn't tell me to tell y'all. I just found out, so I just felt like I could pass it on to y'all, because a lot of people want to take pictures with Santa, but you don't want to pay for Santa. You know what I'm saying? Because I am Santa. I'm not about to pay for myself. 4 potatoes, okay? Wash them off. Just like I was telling you before, just like your meats. You just want to clean off your stuff, because everybody don't touch your stuff before you got to touch it. You do this with all of them. Yeah, but yeah, you take a spoonful, and then I'm going to just drizzle that on all of them. I'm using regular salt, but I think it's really preferred that you use kosher salt, because I think it sticks a little better. It got a little bit more of a harder taste. But that's all I got. So you go ahead and take some of your pepper. And you do the same thing. We're gonna check back on it though. So I'm gonna flip it now, and then in 30 minutes I'll flip it again. Potatoes. Oh, I ain't got no space for the corn.
You look sexy in the kitchen.
Cause man, I do like onions, even though it do give you fire breath. After like the last 30 minutes of the cooking, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take this off. But I actually want to leave the potatoes. So I don't know. I'm feeling a little mixed emotion now. I'm gonna taste a little piece of it.
What it tastes like?
It's good.
That's why some people don't put it on it. But if you put just a little bit on it, though, it's not gonna hurt it. It's actually gonna be good. It's just gonna give it a little barbecue taste.
That's what I do.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
What? You wanted to keep it like that?
You gonna put it on it? It's good though. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
So we're not gonna overkill it, because honestly, I think the seasoning on it, I think I seasoned it pretty good. So we don't need too much sauce. I'll leave the rest of anything for like dip. If y'all think this rib look good, y'all let me know in that comment section below. I mean, like, my mouth is drooling as we speak. That's how good it looks to me right now. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I was one of the originally saute the onions and then add them on top, but since Linda agreed, it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just.
Make me feel like I'm just a badass.
I'm gonna just go ahead and.
Linda said it's okay.
Put this all over. This thing about to be juicy. Woo-wee. All right,
That's
like
the chef.
The onions is most definitely optional.
Huh?
It's not needed.
What, onions?
Yeah, I just threw them on there. I never really did this before either, but it's the first for everything. I think it's gonna be good. So we're gonna corn going right now.
Oh yeah.
That'll be a couple.
And then
more minutes.
you're gonna put this in the oven too, right?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna let the ribs sit there for a little bit and cool down for a couple minutes.
Look at that rib. Look at that rib. Oh, and Taj made some
broccoli.
The potatoes are still in there.
Gotta pull them out.
We'll show you guys the end result once
Some
everything
corn.
is done. And some corn,
Some toppings and
toppings and stuff. Super awesome. We got the setup right here. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Good job, babe. You did really good today.
I plated up everything. This is the end result. My plate, her plate, right here. Got a little bit of leftover later. I'm trying to put up now.
Y'all, it's why I'm happy I'm married. I don't got a big nobody to cook for me. So I'm married.
It's levels to this shit.
Level to this shit.
Levels to this shit.
Beautiful. This is the leftovers. So we're gonna put that in the oven because we're gonna finish that before the end of the night. You right. You right.
That shit looking.
Ooh. Alright, you wanna say bye? Cause we about to eat, y'all.
Alright, yeah, so most definitely thank you for watching, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope maybe you go ahead and make some ribs at home. And basically make what I made. If you make this meal, go ahead
Let
and
us know.
Take a picture of it, and then let
Send
us
it
know.
to us on
Send it to us on
Instagram.
Instagram.
What's our Instagram?
Our Instagram is Taz and Linda.
Woo.
So go ahead and follow us if you haven't already followed us. But yeah, if y'all feeling like how I was feeling today, and y'all want to cook something nice for your loved one, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and make this. It's gonna be lit. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications on, like I said earlier. And thanks for watching.
Peace. Peace.